Your company has a call center and it's time to shop for new call center software, but your company also has Salesforce CRM and you want to make sure that your new call center software integrates with Salesforce CRM. One of the things you definitely want to consider are screen pops. What they are and how they can benefit you is something I definitely want to talk to you about. My name is Mike Smith. I'm the president of AeroCom. Let's put our heads together on this. But first, if you'd like my recommendation on the best call center software vendors your company should be quoting that integrate with Salesforce, reach out and contact me, send me an email, give me a call. I'm a broker for all the major cloud call center software vendors out there. I know which ones you should be quoting and I know which ones you should avoid. And I don't charge you anything for my recommendation. So no excuse not to at least reach out and give me a call. I will help you make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time. More information on that at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my weekly videos that I put out. And try to go to our website, take a look at it, aerocominc.com. We have reviews on providers. You can write reviews on providers. You can watch videos on providers, read all types of information on there. Go check it out. All right, well, if your company is looking into a new call center software that integrates with Salesforce, something you definitely want to consider are screen pops. What are screen pops? Well, it's when somebody calls into your company and before your agent answers the phone, your Salesforce pops up and it automatically can see who's calling and pop up the contact record for that person who's calling in if they've contacted your company in the past. You might be wondering, what benefits can that provide your company? Well, number one, your agents are going to be able to take more calls because in the past, if they didn't have screen pops, they have to take a minute or two on every single call to look up that contact record as the customer is on the phone. So, if you can imagine, they're asking for their last name, maybe their address, or maybe their phone number, maybe they have a different phone number registered with the company, zip code, that type of thing, and they're having to look that up manually while the customer's on the phone. So that doesn't have to happen anymore. So automatically call time is reduced, which means your agents are able to take more calls. So that's the number one reason. The number two benefit is that you're going to get more customer loyalty by improving the customer experience. So if you think about it, number one, the customer is going to like it because it's going to take less time to get their information. They don't have to sit there and re-educate the agent on who their account is and their address and all that stuff. So they're happy because they can automatically get to the reason why they're calling. They're also going to be happy because the agent's going to know their name, call them by name, and they're going to know all the account information right away. They're going to see a full history of this customer, what's gone on right away. And then some extra benefits you might be able to program in with the cloud call center service provider is you may be able to customize the screen pops to put some unique identifier information on there. Like if this person has called back or called a bunch of times today, you might be able to mark that. You might be able to mark if this is one of your largest customers. You might be able to flag that right away. Maybe if they have an open ticket, you can flag that right away. So just some ideas there you might want to think about that you can customize the screen pop to fit your company and help what your company needs. So that's a little bit about screen pops. Definitely something you should be considering if you want to integrate Salesforce with your new cloud call center software. And there's a bunch of other stuff you probably want to know, but if you want to know that stuff, reach out and contact me, send me an email, give me a call. Again, if you'd like my recommendation on the best cloud call center vendors your company should be quoting, the best features you should be considering, send me an email, give me a call. I'm a broker for all the major cloud call center software vendors out there. I've been doing this for over 20 years, so I know the landscape of the marketplace inside and out. And I can tell you, based on your company's requirements, which vendors your company should be quoting and why. I can introduce you to those vendors, make sure you're working with the best salespeople there. I can also make sure you get a great demo on that vendor and oversee the quoting process to make sure you get your company gets the best pricing possible with their vendor of choice. And for all of that, like I mentioned earlier, I don't charge you anything for my broker fee. The service providers actually pay me my broker fees, so I don't have to charge my customers anything. So there's absolutely no excuse not to at least reach out and get my opinion on this stuff. And I love talking about it, as you've seen in these videos. So reach out, give me a call. I'd love to help you with this. And if you got something from the video, it's a nice way to say thank you. Just send me an email, give me a call. Okay, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my weekly videos that I put out. And go check out our website, AeroCominc.com, and leave a review for your current provider, read reviews on future providers, watch videos on them, all kinds of good stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.